No. It's not down there.
What is that noise?
Oh, it's just me, Dad.
Why do I hear Rosie crying?
Oh, because she is having a bad day.
How about I check on her?
You don't have to. I'll check on her for you so you won't be late for work.
I don't have work today. Now you're acting suspicious on me. I swear of God, if you hurt her, you're gonna be grounded big time.
Dad, you don't have to check on her.
Move.
No.
Move.
No.
Move.
No! Fine.
Rosie, come up here. Tell me what happened.
Caillou pushed me down the stairs.
Caillou, how dare you push Rosie down the stairs? You know people could die in those type of accidents. For example, George Washington Carver died at the age of 78.
What are you talking about?
Ugh, never mind. You're grounded for 0234567902347499859023456790388902347938890234792222222 years. Oh, and for your punishment, you will get pushed down the stairs.
Say.